So what is going on with this real estate market? Homes are going for over asking price. They're getting multiple offers. Buyers are not being able to get their offers accepted. They're getting rejected on house after house after house after house. You know, it may be the people that you're working with. Now, I know real estate agents, they work very, very hard. And I'm sure that whoever you're working with is a great person, but they just may not know how to get it done. With our exclusive platinum buyer offer system, we get our offers accepted. We have beat out cash buyers with our offer system. We've beat out other buyers on multiple offers that after the transaction was done, they said, your offer was not the highest offer, but they took it anyway. It's all in how you present it. It's all in how you position it. And our exclusive platinum buyer offer system can get the job done for you. If you're having trouble getting your offers accepted, if you're not getting what you need, if you're not being able to close on it, not being able to win the contract, reach out and give us a call. It's Gary Evans, Evans Realty Group. My number is 832-721-0442. We'll also make you some specific and exclusive guarantees that we offer our buyers. If you don't love the home after 18 months, we're going to sell it for you at no commission to us, or we'll buy it back, your choice. So when you use us to buy your home, we're going to stand behind you for 18 months. That way, we're going to make sure that you love the home you buy, that you get the home you want, and if you're not happy with it, then we'll sell it for free or at no commission to us, or we'll buy it back. So we want to thank you for taking a moment to watch this. Also let you know that we're on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. We appreciate your business, your business and your referrals. Really do help the kids at Texas Children, because every time we close, we're going to make a significant donation out of our commissions to help the kids at Texas Children's. And we thank everyone who's ever done business with us or will do business with us in the future. We thank you for that as well. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you found it helpful, please share it. Like us on YouTube. Go in and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a moment of the action. And we hope everybody's having a great day. And we're going to be talking to each one of you folks again real soon.